And I know what you're thinking, what is this naked mole rat doing in front of my face? Who is this girl that has nothing but her birthday suit exposed to the entire internet? Hi everyone, my name is Valerie and welcome to Viva La Valerie. And today, we have a special guest. That's my dog. I have pledged to myself this week to go completely makeup free, and hopefully by the end of the week I'll think other things about myself rather than thinking I look like a naked mole rat or a pale cousin to Casper the Friendly Ghost. I've been wearing makeup since I was about 16 years old, and I noticed that my skin is always fluctuating, and I was wondering what the heck would happen if I just stop wearing it for a week. I just moved down to South Carolina, and let me tell you, it is so flippin' hot here that I just have been finding myself even wearing only a BB cream, a little concealer, and mascara, so I was like, why not just throw it all away? Now, it is a little bit easier for me to do it during the week because I currently work the graveyard shift. So I work from midnight to 8 a.m. Monday through Friday, and it is... what time is it? It is 9:31 right now, meaning I am getting ready for work at the moment. I'm gonna leave for work in a couple hours and I'm going to start my day. So obviously I'm not gonna wear makeup when I'm working at night, and not many people are going to see me. And then I go to the gym right after work. I'm not gonna wear makeup then. So that just leaves during the day when it's hangout time, date nights, I can't wear any makeup. The 4th of July is on Wednesday. I'm working the night before and then that night, so I don't really think it's gonna matter. But I record every day. I'm gonna give you all updates. I'm gonna see anything I notice about my skin changing, difficulties, pros, cons, and just overall how I felt. And maybe it will encourage you guys to go makeup free for a week and just let your skin breathe, because we are constantly caking things on there, which is totally fine. There's nothing wrong with wearing makeup, but we all have to admit sometimes it does take a toll on our skin. I'm excited to have more time to get ready, or maybe more time to sleep. And I'm just excited to see how my skin reacts and how I feel. So this is a little skin update. I think my biggest insecurities when it comes to my skin are acne scarring right here, bags underneath my eyes, and I get a little redness around my nose. Sometimes there's a little bit of hyperpigmentation, but overall I don't suffer too bad from acne. Oh, not that way. And I'm blonde, so my eyelashes aren't that noticeable, as well as my eyebrows, but I'm working to embrace loving all this just the way it is. And yeah, seeing what comes of it. So if you would like to see a week of me without makeup and what the outcome is, just keep watching. I'm starting the week off right with this face mask that makes me look like a clown from Trader Joe's. I look like a clown. It's day 2. It is Tuesday of the no makeup challenge for the week. It is 8:48 a.m. I just got home from work a couple minutes ago. Washed my face, put on some toner and moisturizer. The only big difference I'm noticing in my skin right now is obviously my bags, because I have not slept that well. I have not slept since like 8 last night, so I haven't slept in a long time. I worked from 12 to 8. I got maybe 4 hours of sleep at most yesterday, so I'm gonna try to get in a good 7 hours right now. My skin is seeming okay. As you can see, I have some spots right here that are scars, and freckles are coming in from the sun, but my bags are pretty prominent. Yeah. Hopefully this will tone down. It also just seems, I think, way worse because I just washed my face and toned. So I feel like that happens. Like, you're doing your skin a good favor and then it's like, just kidding, I'm gonna look super red right now. But that's okay. I put my hair in braids because I forget whose video I was watching, but they were like, sleep with your hair in braids because then you don't get all that oil and stuff on your face. So I'm gonna sleep with my hair in braids. And yeah, so I'm gonna hopefully get in some beauty rest and I'll wake up looking glorious. But that is my Tuesday morning check-in. Okay guys, a little Tuesday night update. My skin is actually feeling really glowy. Naturally, it's like I have a highlighter on, but I don't have a highlighter on. Again, this insecurity is still there, but I think it's kind of lightening up. I'm not uncomfortable being without makeup. I woke up at around 3 o'clock from my sleep. I went to the bank, I walked my dog, I went to the gym. I brought face wash to the gym to make sure I cleaned off my face because I went grocery shopping after. Made some dinner, tried to lie down for like 2 hours to take a nap, but I can't seem to nap before work. So yeah, I feel pretty good. Tomorrow I will update you guys with my skincare routine, but yeah, I'm not really uncomfortable going in public without makeup or anything. It's just I wish my bags would go away, but we'll figure that out. So Tuesday, down. Good morning, YouTube. It's actually not morning. It is 11:33 a.m. so it's like brunch time, but I just woke up from my post-work nap. I'm gonna stay awake most of the day and try to go to bed at like 3 o'clock and just try something out and see if that works better with my schedule. But my skin is feeling really nice today. My bags are something that I'm just gonna have to get over, and this seems to be clearing up, and it just overall seems more even. And yeah, I'm not finding this very hard, and I would like to show you what I've been using on my skin, so let's go do that. I thought I would go through the products that I've been using to keep my skin clear. Since I'm not wearing makeup, it's been a really good chance for me to try a bunch of different skincare. I don't have any fancy systems or anything, don't have Proactive or any of this fancy stuff. I would ideally have Lush products right now, but with the move and everything, I just couldn't afford to get my favorite products. But there's something in my eyeball. But when I shop at Lush, I love the Celestial Face Moisturizer. That's a mouthful, say that 10 times fast. I love that, and I also love the Let the Good Times Roll face scrub, which smells like popcorn, but I don't have those right now, so these are what I've been using for the time being. I've been using these two Yes 2 Carrots product. Well, they're Yes 2 products. These actually aren't carrot, but I've been using the Yes 2 Cucumbers Soothing Gentle Milk Cleanser for sensitive skin. Looks like this. And that one's really nice. That's my daily cleanser. And then sometimes every day, I wash my face about 2 to 3 times a day, depending on if I go to the gym, just how it's feeling. That might be too much, but I haven't noticed anything bad, and it seems to actually be getting brighter with this nicer skincare, so I don't know. And then there's also the Yes 2 Coconut Ultra Hydrating Coconut Oil Cleansing Balm. I love this. I used this not too long ago and moisturized, and I think this one really works well on my dry skin, and I think it makes my skin look extra glowy, so I really highly recommend this. And it doesn't taste, haven't eaten it, but it smells like yummy coconuts, and it looks like these. Yeah, so you just go and you do it on your wet face, and that looks lovely. And then when I need to exfoliate, this is supposed to be probably a St. Ives dupe, but it's the Walmart brand Equate Beauty Refreshing Apricot Scrub, apricot. And I use this for when I need to exfoliate, maybe like every other day, every 2 days. What I use for toner right now is the Yes 2 Tomatoes Clear Skin Acne Clearing Facial Toner. And this is pretty good. What I love about this is it has kind of like that nail polish remover type pump. It'll focus. And so I just take a cotton round. I'll demonstrate for you. I take a cotton round and I just pump it a few times, get the cotton round nice and wet. And well, we're gonna tone now, I guess. And I rub it. I like to rub in upward motions. Get it closer. The upward motions are good so they're not dragging your face down, and you're not like tugging down and creating saggy wrinkles, because nobody wants that. So I just do that. I try to tone at least once a day. Sometimes I do it twice a day, but this one helps reduce redness and make sure acne doesn't come. And since I've stayed consistent with my toning, along with not wearing any makeup, I've noticed fewer breakouts. I am getting a little bit of a pimple right here. That might be from wearing a headband, that might just be from sweating. My period I also think is coming soon, so sometimes that's just inevitable. But if that is the case and that is the only pimple I'm getting right now, I'll take it. Sometimes to wash my face, when I'm using the cucumber cleanser, I use this. It's kind of like a Clarisonic. I got this as a gift. It's just a Connor face washer. It has 3 different settings and a charger, so it's just like a Clarisonic. It does the same thing. It makes sure that I deep clean my skin at least once a day. When I do wear makeup, this thing gets really dirty and you can like see the makeup come off on it, so I liked to use this after using a makeup wipe, and I used it to clean my skin after and really get all that makeup off, and these things get dirty really fast. The facial toner, Rose Water facial toner from Trader Joe's. And I use this as setting spray. It's just like the Mario Badescu Rose Water spray. Yeah, it's just like that. And it's way cheaper, and I find that I go through this way less fast. So I go through this way slower. So this is my second one of this, and I still use it this week just when I want to refresh my face. I can use it right now. Very nice. So I have that, and then I also have this, the brand is called Measurable Difference. I got this at Marshall's, and it is a rose hip hydrating body oil, and I use this on my face. It's just an oil for when I feel like my skin needs some extra moisture before I go to bed during the day. Sometimes I'll just put this on after washing my face so that my skin can absorb that. Those are the products that I have been using on my skin right now. If I get any new ones or use any face masks, I will update you. But that's my current skincare routine and regimen. Thursday, July 5th. My sleep schedule is so messed up. It is 10:36 p.m. I think I've actually gotten a decent amount of sleep today, but the bags are still here. My skin feels pretty clear. I just washed it and moisturized it. So obviously it's a little more fleshy right now, but we're feeling good. I'm wearing my favorite shirt at the moment. It says Love is Greater. It is from Forever 21. But yeah, so my skin's feeling pretty good. I'm going to visit my friend at her beach house tomorrow. And if we go out, I'm gonna maybe feel sad if I can't wear makeup, but hopefully I just get a tan during the day. So I'll just feel like I'm wearing makeup. I don't know, I'll bring an eyelash curler. Yes. I'm so tired. And I will keep you guys updated, but yeah, that about wraps it up for Thursday. I had a killer arm workout this morning, but my skin's feeling pretty good. Hey guys, it is Friday, finally, TGIF. I get a long weekend. My dogs are here. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. She loves to be on camera. She's so cute. Anyway, so long story short, I'm not going to visit my friend at the beach today. Just something came up and it didn't work out. Totally fine. I'm now just gonna go to the gym. Bless you. I just did a little skincare routine and I'm feeling great about this. I really wish that I could wear makeup like this weekend and like to church on Sunday just for like special occasions, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna make my outfit and hair really nice and like try to distract from the rest of this. It's Saturday and I really want to wear makeup. I woke up this morning and was like, I made it 5 days, like that's pretty good. It's the weekend. I'm filming a really fun video that I'm super excited about tonight / today, and I just really want to wear makeup, and now I'm getting my period and this has just popped up and I'm just like over it. I'm okay with not wearing it like during the week, but it's the weekend and now's the time that I really seem to want to wear makeup. So maybe this is the hard part and this is where the lesson learning comes in. So maybe I'll do a face mask, maybe extra tone, maybe I'll curl my lashes or something to make me feel extra pretty. But yeah, today is hard and I really just want to put on even just a BB cream, but I won't, and I won't wear makeup until Monday, which is nice because I have Monday off and I can actually put some mascara on. I'm thinking one of the biggest things I'm realizing now is I used to wear a lot of makeup. I hadn't gone without makeup. This is the first week that I've gone without makeup in over 5 years. I literally cannot remember the last consecutive week that I have not worn makeup. It's so strange. It's teaching me that I definitely don't think I need it in their circumstances. Like I used to wear like makeup to the gym. I'd wear even just concealer, and I don't feel the need for any of that now. But I do like to wear it on the weekends, so today's hard. My face is actually really clear. My sister actually said to me yesterday, your skin looks really good, except for this that just like to pop up, which makes no sense because I've been taking such good care of it. The only thing I can think of is that my period's coming, and my chin is always my problem area, probably because I do this a lot, but gotta stop doing that. But yeah, so my skin's feeling good. My bags are like whatever, but yeah, today's a little hard, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I really miss my concealer, but we're trudging along. I'm really excited for you guys to see this video that we're filming today. I'm filming with one of my friends. He's helping me, and it's gonna be so good, and it involves food. Unhealthy food, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go to the bank, open up a new bank account, go get my oil changed at Jiffy Lube, and then go get a really good workout in because I'm about to eat junk tonight. But yes, that is my Saturday check-in. Just one more day. One more day. Okay, it is Sunday, July 8th, and I have officially gone a week without makeup. Thank you. Thank you very much. I made it. I didn't think I would make it this far. I honestly do think my skin looks pretty dang clear. Pretty sure that I'm getting my period within the next few days, and I only got one pimple that went away because I wasn't caking things all over it, so that was really cool. So I think the pros of all of this were I had way more time to get ready in the morning or before work, because I don't go to work in the morning, I go to work at night. But in general, I wasn't worried about doing my makeup before I went anywhere, so it saved me so much time. I noticed that my skin was just happy to breathe. It feels much softer. I paid way more attention to my skincare routine, and I discovered new things that work better for me. I may have actually washed my face like too much because I was like, that's the only thing I can do for it right now. I used to be really insecure about, I thought my skin was really uneven and discolored, but it's not, and I'm really lucky to have the skin that I do, and I don't need to, I would wear foundation almost every day and like a ton of concealer, and I realized I don't need, when I do wear makeup, I don't need as much as I thought I did. So I'm excited to see how it is when I do my makeup again. Maybe one night when I go out and I have a full face of makeup on, I feel like I'm just gonna feel like a different person. So that's gonna be interesting. I will say it kind of sucked when I was like going on date night or whatever, or like just wanting to go out and like just touch up a little bit, that I couldn't. So I think that it made me realize that it's not a necessity for me personally. If you like to wear it every day, that's totally up to you. But for me personally, I realized that I don't need it all the time, and I don't need it to feel beautiful. I feel beautiful without it. This was definitely a weird confidence boost. And so now I feel like when I do put makeup on tomorrow, that I'm going to feel like extra pretty. Not that I'm not pretty without it, but I'm just gonna feel extra pretty in my own skin. So yeah, I think it made me realize that I don't need it all the time, and I'm pretty the way I am. So if you find yourself wearing makeup all the time and you want to give your skin a break, try this out for a week, even just for a few days. You will be amazed at how much your skin thanks you. I will never forget to take my makeup off before bed again because I am so guilty of that sometimes. Thank you, college. But yeah, I'm feeling good, man. I'm beautiful. I really have not gone without a week without makeup in over 5 years. It's insane. It's insane. But here I am. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling pretty. And I don't need makeup to feel beautiful. But it sure does help. And I do miss my mascara. It's okay. But yeah. So comment below if you have ever gone a week without makeup, or if this is going to inspire you to go a week without makeup. Like this video if you'd like to see me do this again. And please subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video and my naked mole rat face, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.